Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Google Pixel 8. And for that we will go to our settings and then we need to scroll down to security and privacy, and here we need to go to more security and privacy, and then we can scroll down and go to SIM lock and then click on change Simpin, and here we need to enter our old Simpin and then we need to put in our new Simpin. Retype that and then Simpin changed successfully, and now if you need to restart your phone you need to put in your new Simpin. This is especially useful if you I don't know, lost your Simpin when you wrote it down somewhere, or you can't remember it because you have so many pins that you need to remember or whatever else. Also 1 2 3 4 4 times 0, stuff like that are just not the most secure options. You want to be a bit more creative here. Otherwise, that's how you can change your Simpin on your Google Pixel 8. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.